Hey everyone, I'm Erica and welcome back to the channel. If you're tired of your wine warming up in the fridge next to the milk or your beers getting lost in a crowded cooler, then chill out because today we're uncorking a dual zone dynamo that's going to level up your beverage game. I'm talking about the Newair French Door Wine and Beverage Cooler. This stainless steel stunner is a dual zone fridge that holds 21 wine bottles on one side and 60 cans on the other, with precise temp control for perfect chilling. Grab it on Amazon right now through the link in the description, and trust me, it's going to make your home entertaining, wine nights, and daily sips so much cooler without the clutter. Let's dive in and see why this cooler is raising the bar in 2025. First, the feature breakdown on the Newair French Door Wine and Beverage Cooler. This isn't your basic mini fridge. It's Newair's dual zone cooler designed for wine and beverage lovers, with French doors that open wide for easy access and a sleek stainless steel finish that's fingerprint resistant. The left zone is for wine, holding up to 21 standard bottles with temps from 41 to 64 degrees Fahrenheit, ideal for reds, whites, and rosés. The right zone is for cans or bottles, fitting 60 12-ounce cans with temps from 36 to 64 degrees. Perfect for beers, sodas, or sparkling water. It runs on a quiet compressor system with vibration-free shelves to keep sediment settled in wine, and blue LED lighting that showcases your collection without adding heat. The digital touch controls are user-friendly with separate displays for each zone, and there's a lock to keep kids or guests out. The shelves are adjustable and removable for customizing to tall bottles or odd shapes, and the unit is freestanding with a reversible door for flexible placement. Measuring 23.4 inches wide by 22.6 deep by 33.6 high, it's compact for kitchens, bars, or garages. Setup is simple. Unbox, let it stand for a few hours, plug in, set temps, and load up. Priced around $399, it's a mid-range marvel with premium features for everyday use. Versatility is key. Chill champagne in the beverage side for parties, age reds in the wine zone for special occasions, or mix it up with canned cocktails and wine spritzers. The zones prevent flavour transfer, and it's great for entertaining without digging through the main fridge. Now, pros and cons to keep it real. Pros are massive. Dual zones mean perfect temps for wine and drinks without compromise. Quiet operation won't disturb your space. The LED lights and French doors make it fun to show off. And users love the steady cooling that preserves wine quality and keeps beers frosty. Capacity is impressive for the size, it's energy efficient with low vibration, and the lock adds peace of mind. The stainless look is modern and cleanup is easy with removable shelves. But no cooler's perfect. The main con is the price. At $399, it's not budget for casual users. It's taller than some under-counter models. Some note the compressor cycles often in hot rooms. And while spacious, it's not as large as full fridges for big collections. Overall, pros dominate for beverage enthusiasts. My recommendation? Absolutely. Go for the Newair French Door Wine and Beverage Cooler if you want organized, dual-chilled storage. The pros like zone control, capacity, and style make total sense for wine collectors, entertainers, or anyone upgrading their chill game. It's not just a cooler, it's your beverage butler for better hosting. Before we wrap, if these reviews chill you out, hit subscribe for more gear tips. Click that affiliate link in the description. It supports the channel and gets you the deal. Finally, use the link below for the best pricing, including special promotional pricing from Rick's Review Hub. Thanks a ton for watching. If this helped, like it, share with friends, or subscribe for more. See you next time.